Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSaved.com. We're back in Las Vegas. Today we're at the Paris Hotel and Casino in a Bordeaux corner room. This is a king room, and I've been wanting to show you what these rooms look like because this corner room option is so cool. As you can see, these have all the normal Paris room type things, the furniture, the feel, the layout, you've got your refrigerator and your safe, but the corner room views is what makes these rooms so incredible. They're affordable rooms. This room is room 2972-P, and the views are incredible. As you can see, you can look out over the high roller and the sphere, and pretty much any one of these corner rooms that you get, I think, is going to have great views. And the cool thing about the corner room is that you have two directions to look out, where you'll have even more views out over Las Vegas. And this, again, at nighttime is going to be incredible. So pretty much your typical Paris hotel property room, which we love, but just a little bit better because of these corner views. Lots of space as usual, roomy closets, you've got your desk area, your in-room snacks. Again, they will charge you for those, but really the key here is that these corner rooms offer just kind of that more unique feel. The bathrooms have that same style that we love, really spacious. The showers here are really good, really nice and roomy, but there you go. This is a look at the Bordeaux corner room king. I will leave details down below. Let me know if you have questions. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSaved.com.